Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you best graphics settings to play Subnautica 2, especially if you have low-end PC or laptop. So all you need to do, select settings and select the graphics tab. Right here, if you scroll, you're gonna see the section for graphics quality, and the first option we have here is run hardware benchmark. If you click on this one, they're just gonna perform a test and accordingly gonna choose the best graphics quality preset for you. Like you can see, they chose medium for my PC, so they could just go for high, low, like depending on your specifications. Like you can also go for custom. Like the one I would recommend you to use, like if your piece is very low end, just choose low first, and now you can just specifically choose the best things according to your preference. Like you can just use medium shadows, you can increase the shadow, or basically textures, you can set the textures on medium. You can also keep all these things on low. Also I would recommend you to go for medium. For effects, you can also use this one, landscape to medium. Also you can set clouds to medium. So basically you just need to play with these settings, but as many you put on low will work good for you. So it is that easy. Also you can just scroll up and you're gonna see the options like this one, upscaling method. You can just completely turn off this. Then you can turn off motion blur, v-sync, as well as underwater blur. And also I would recommend you to set 30 fps cap. Okay, and this is the base settings you can use. To save the changes, just hit apply. Then you need to basically restart the game. So for that, just hit the escape and just simply quit and restart your game. The settings will be applied on your game. So yeah guys, this is the base settings which you can use to play Subnautica 2 on your low-end PC or laptop. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.